CNG, or I should say, welcome CNG 124, 132, and 212. We're in our last week, so today we go from Wednesday to next Tuesday, and then we're done for the semester. Um, if you are missing any assignments, make sure to get those in. Whether it's in Cengage or Cengage didn't import anything, make sure that I know about it. Reach out to D2L and send me an email saying, "Hey, look, I missed these. I missed these points. It shows me taking it in Cengage, but it did not transfer over to D2L." They're two different platforms. Platform as a Service (PaaS), and you guys are going to learn more about platforms as a service, network software as a service as we go. I should say, as you go further on in your career in starting to learn these concepts. So let's see. 212. We've had um, let's see, projects, or we've had labs, we have activities. Hopefully these activities look the same for those people in 212 and 132. Same exact course, face-to-face as online. Make sure to get those in. Make sure to get those discussions in. You know, the discussions are points too. Get all that stuff in there. Make sure you do your Kaplan. Everybody in all classes should be doing Kaplan. That's how my classes work. They boost your score in the classes. They're helping you guys achieve your way to getting certifications for when you leave your career here at Front Range. If you go start working in the field, you know you have that certification ready to go and show those employers that not only did you learn, but you applied that learning and was able to attain a certification. And don't say certs, make sure you say certification, because if you say certs, some people might think certificates, which are good, but certifications are really the ones that hold uh, definitely more clout than certificates. 132, you guys have a lot of stuff. Everybody knows 132 is probably one of the more difficult courses out there because you basically pick up a new thing every week until you reach week 13, and then it's all review. There are labs, there are projects, there are lab simulations, there are essays. Make sure you get all those in. If I took any points off, go back and see why I took points off. I left you a message and say, hey, look, provide me this, and I'll give you those points back. If you're missing test scores, make sure you get on that Kaplan and do that test score. Because that's like, I can't say that's like free points just being left out there. Extra credit for 132, I believe there's quite a few in there. Feel free to participate in those. Only, I would say 5 people total, but 4 people because I see Mr. William there twice. At least 4 people participated with those. Email guests. There was a video I want to say a few weeks ago about guessing emails, enterprise emails. Easy thing to do. At Target, I would assume their first initial last name at target.com. Verify it. Just a quick email search, and that's using open source tools to find information. Another way of hacking. Oh, you know what? I just remembered. For those of you that want to look at more stuff, WASP. As students, you can join OWASP membership and become members of this organization that is, dedicated to cybersecurity. Putting information out there. What all do I want to say in this? Informative information, some learning courses also. Feel free to join us. I think at the student discount it's like $20, $25. Definitely worthwhile to join that one and just get some information fed to you through that, so you kind of like stay in the know because security is always changing with that. And I believe that's it. If you're missing any points in the discussions, make sure to get in there, do those discussions. Everything is open. Um, in every single course, I offer you the grade that you want to achieve while leaving that course. Let's see. 212. We've been working on our projects for the last few weeks, and there's 5 submissions. I'll start giving feedback on those. I did see a presentation that was a how-to. Your presentation is more, your portfolio presentation is more, this is what I did, this is what I achieved out of it, this is what it helped, and this is why you should use it. The end. Uh, 5 to 9, um, 5 to 9 PowerPoints. Remember, your PowerPoints are not packed with reading. They just show me a topic, and then if I was sitting in front of you and you're presenting this, you would be able to expand on this topic, and I would be able to listen to you while just kind of looking at your slide and maybe looking at like a bullet point with, I would say, a sentence, maybe just some keywords up there. And that's it. Once again, we have a week left. Make sure to get every assignment in. If something was missed, make sure to reach out to me so I can get that, look into that further. Good job. And finish strong. That's all I can say is finish strong. We have a week to go, and then you're off for a little bit over a month, and we come back in January. And that's it. I'll do maybe another video this weekend. Talk to you guys soon.